Monica, now I have to finish my map by marking the forest and desert covers.
Yes, and there's a faster way of doing this. You can make multiple selections together and apply green color for forest in one go.
Right, Monica. I can also apply yellow color to the deserts using those options.
The last task is to color the forest and desert regions of Gujarat and Rajasthan. For these states, we need to color the state in green but exclude the desert areas. Gimp allows you to make multiple selections together with the help of the Add to the Current Selection option. This helps you do your work faster. To select Gujarat and Rajasthan together, click Scissors Select from Toolbox. Carefully select Gujarat first. Click inside Gujarat to make the selection. You have to select Rajasthan also. For this, click Windows on the menu bar. Click Dockable Dialogs. Select Tool Options. A new Tool Options window pops up. Click the Add to the Current Selection option from Tool Options. This will enable you to select additional areas. Select Rajasthan with the same scissor select. Click inside Rajasthan to confirm the selection. Now, as shown on the screen, both Gujarat and Rajasthan are selected. Before coloring these states in green, you need to exclude the desert areas of these two states. Similar to adding selections, Gimp also allows subtracting selections. To exclude desert areas from the selection, click Free Select from Toolbox. Select the Subtract from the Current Selection option from Tool Options. Roughly mark the desert areas of both the states. Your selection will look as shown on the screen. Fill the green color to the states using Bucket Fill tool. Note that the color is not applied to the area excluded from the selection. To depict desert regions, you can fill the yellow color. To do this, select the yellow color for Bucket Fill tool. Click the desert regions of Gujarat and Rajasthan. The desert regions are now highlighted in yellow.
Any region.
Yes, and the most interesting part was the visibility of the deserted region in Gujarat and Rajasthan.